swift with gentle force, but the signals start to fade. Sky is torn, the light decays. Engine shake, the metal screams. Something stirs inside the beams. Wires twist, circuits break. A hollow voice begins to wake. Steel and code now intertwine. A shadow born beyond the sky. Electric sparks ignite the frame. Numbers shift, but not the same. Ghostly whispers call its name, but no one's left to stake the claim. Fleshless hands, a hollow stare. Echoes lost within the air. Not a plane, not a dream.